Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Volaris Credit. It's a simple way to save on your next trip, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you are logged in to your Volaris account. This is important because your credits are tied to your account. If you are not logged in, your credits won't show up. Next, search for your desired flight just like you normally would. Enter your departure and arrival cities like Austin, travel dates, then click done, and the number of passengers, then click search flights. Once you have found the flight that suits you, add it to your booking. When you reach the payment section, you will see an option to apply Volaris credits. Simply select it and the amount of credit available will be deducted from your total. If your credits don't cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance using your preferred payment method, then just finalize the booking. That's it, you have successfully used your Volaris credit to save on your booking. Enjoy your flight and thanks for watching.